Agriculture is truly vital for the Philippines. So many families across the islands depend on farming. It is their main source of income and their way of life. This sector provides the essential food that feeds the entire nation. However, traditional farming methods often face numerous difficult challenges. The weather can be very unpredictable, bringing typhoons or droughts. Destructive pests and various plant diseases can ruin entire harvests. Filipino farmers urgently need new, innovative ways to improve their daily work and their yields. Technology, in its many forms, now offers substantial hope for a brighter, more productive future in Philippine agriculture. Agritech is a term you might hear more often now. It is short for agricultural technology. In simple terms, it means using modern tools, techniques, and data in farming. This can include a wide range of innovations. For example, farmers might use mobile applications on their smartphones. These apps can provide critical information and advice. Agritech also involves sensors placed directly in the fields to monitor conditions. Sometimes drones are used to fly over crops, gathering data. The main goal of Agritech is to make farming much more efficient. It helps farmers produce more food from their land. It also aims to make farming practices more sustainable for our environment. Digital transformation is a powerful force changing many aspects of our modern lives. It essentially means using digital technologies to improve processes and create new opportunities. We see this transformation happening everywhere around us. It is evident in how we do our banking or how we shop for goods. It has changed how we communicate with each other daily. Now, this wave of digital change is also reaching the agricultural fields. For the farming sector, this shift is incredibly important. It can connect farmers to a wealth of previously inaccessible information. It can link them to new markets for their produce and vital financial assistance. This significant change is steadily unfolding across the Philippines. The rise of Agritech brings enormous promise to Filipino farmers. It holds the potential to help them significantly increase their harvests. Access to better, more timely information leads to smarter farming decisions. Technology can also help reduce crop spoilage and lower operational costs. When farmers can achieve these things, they can earn more money. Their overall livelihoods can improve in very meaningful ways. Ultimately, a stronger and more resilient agricultural sector benefits everyone in the country. It leads to greater food security for the population. It also contributes to the economic development of rural communities, which is very important for national progress. One dynamic company leading this technological change is Agrilever. Agrilever is an innovative agritech startup based in the Philippines. Their primary mission is to provide substantial help to rice farmers. Rice is an incredibly important staple crop throughout the nation. It is a cornerstone of the Filipino diet and culture. Despite its importance, many rice farmers struggle to make a good, stable living. Agrilever wants to fundamentally change this challenging situation for the better. They strategically use technology to provide crucial support and resources. Their focus is squarely on improving farmer productivity and increasing their overall income through smart solutions. Agrilever has developed a very useful and user-friendly mobile application. This app functions much like a knowledgeable assistant for farmers, right in their pocket. It provides them with detailed crop management protocols. These protocols are essentially step-by-step guides for successfully growing rice. The application also offers advanced weather intelligence. This feature gives farmers forecasts and insights specific to their location. Farmers receive timely alerts about the best times for important agricultural tasks. This guidance includes advice on when to apply fertilizer for the most optimal results. The app helps them plan their work far more effectively. These technological tools provided by Agrilever offer very real and tangible benefits. Knowing the local weather forecast helps farmers prepare for adverse conditions. They can take steps to protect their precious crops from extreme heat or heavy rain. Timely alerts for fertilizer application mean less wastage of expensive inputs. It also contributes to healthier plant growth and consequently, bigger yields at harvest time. The detailed crop management advice helps farmers adopt best practices in their fields. This is crucial for mitigating the damaging effects of pests and diseases. Farmers can make well-informed decisions on a daily basis, improving their chances of success. Agrilever is already making a noticeable difference in many agricultural areas. As of May 2025, the startup serves over 10,000 borrowers. These are farmers who are actively using Agrilever's services and financial products. These farmers are located across a growing number of provinces. Key Key regions benefiting from their services include Central Luzon and Cagayan Valley, both vital rice-producing areas. Specifically, they operate in provinces such as Cagayan, Isabela, and Pangasinan. They are also active in Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, Pampanga, and Bulacan. Their reach even extends to Agusan del Sur and South Cotabato in Mindanao, showing their expanding footprint. Filipino farmers consistently face many significant and often disheartening challenges. Access to adequate financial resources is a major one among these. A large number of farmers, particularly smallholders, do not have formal bank accounts. This makes it extremely difficult for them to secure loans from traditional banking institutions. The statistics paint a stark picture. In 2022, the entire agricultural sector received only a mere 2.6% of the country's total outstanding bank loans. Another very big issue is the lack of agricultural insurance. It is reported that 2 out of every 3 Filipino farmers are uninsured. This leaves them highly vulnerable. If their crops fail due to typhoons or pests, they often lose everything. AgriLever understands these deep-seated financial difficulties extremely well. The company actively works to bridge this critical gap for vulnerable farmers. The startup positions itself as an important and trusted intermediary. They connect smallholder rice farmers with various financial institutions that are willing to lend to the agricultural sector. This vital connection helps farmers get the essential capital they need. Capital is absolutely necessary for purchasing quality seeds and appropriate fertilizers. It is also needed for other crucial farming expenses, like labor or equipment rental. AgriLever strives to make this entire process much simpler and more accessible for the average farmer. Beyond merely establishing financial connections, AgriLever provides a much broader range of support. They offer comprehensive technological resources primarily through their intuitive mobile app. This app empowers farmers with knowledge and data for better decision-making. Crucially, they also have dedicated teams that provide valuable on-the-ground assistance. These field teams visit farmers directly in their communities, offering personalized support and guidance. AgriLever also helps in sourcing and supplying essential agricultural inputs, such as high-quality fertilizers. This holistic and integrated approach ensures that farmers have the multifaceted support they truly need to improve their farming operations and succeed. To achieve its ambitious goals, AgriLever has forged several strong and strategic partnerships. They work closely with the Agricultural Credit Policy Council, ACPC. The ACPC is an important agency under the Department of Agriculture. This collaboration helps align AgriLever's programs with national agricultural policies. They also collaborate effectively with various banking institutions. These partners include the new Rural Bank of San Leonardo, based in Nueva Ecija. Another key financial partner is BPI Direct Banco Inc., a subsidiary of a major Philippine bank. Together they have successfully launched the Agri-Negosyoco loan program, providing much-needed and accessible loans specifically for farmers. The digital transformation sweeping across the Philippines is a growing and dynamic phenomenon. It is certainly not just happening within the agricultural sector alone. Many innovative startups are leveraging technology to solve a wide array of problems. These exciting technological innovations are appearing in many different sectors of the economy. This broader trend of digitalization creates a more supportive and fertile ecosystem. It demonstrates that the country is increasingly embracing technology as a tool for progress. This positive environment helps businesses like AgriLever to grow and to thrive. It also serves as an inspiration for more innovation across all industries. Mober offers a compelling example of this wider technological trend. Mober is a Philippine logistics startup that was founded back in 2015. The company focuses specifically on improving last-mile delivery services. They are notably pioneering the use of a fleet of electric vehicles, EVs, for their operations. This commitment to EVs is commendable, as it is much better for the environment. In a significant development in June 2024, Mober successfully secured $6 million in new funding. This investment will help them substantially expand their electric truck fleet and build new charging facilities. Efficient logistics are also incredibly important for farmers, helping them get their fresh produce to markets quickly and reliably. Another interesting startup contributing to this digital wave is Lista, founded more recently in 2021. Lista is a finance-focused technology startup, often called a fintech company. It provides a user-friendly mobile application designed for individuals and small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs. The app helps its users to manage their finances much more effectively. Users can easily track their spending habits and monitor their income streams. They also receive helpful alerts for upcoming bills, preventing missed payments. By September 2024, the Lista app had already been downloaded more than 2.5 million times. Financial management tools like Lista can also greatly empower farmers, helping them manage their farm business finances more professionally. The future for Agritech in the Philippines certainly looks very bright and promising. Pioneering companies such as Agritech are confidently leading the way forward. Agritech itself has ambitious plans to expand its operational reach nationwide. They also intend to continue building more valuable partnerships with banks, government agencies, and other organizations. With sustained support from investors and conducive government policies, Agritech has the potential to truly transform the agricultural sector. It can significantly improve national food security and, very importantly, uplift the lives of countless Filipino farmers. The ongoing digital wave is bringing many positive and lasting changes to the fields which will ultimately benefit the entire nation.